Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
Are you the clingy type of girlfriend but still allow your man to meet new people, girls and boys? Or are you the type of girlfriend who says you trust your boyfriend but actually don't? Lack of trust, or the absence of it, can limit your partner's actions. It's detrimental to the extent that your boyfriend is not being himself anymore just to please you and gain your trust. Worst, the absence of trust can lead you and your boyfriend parting each other's ways. How do you show your trust in your boyfriend? Here are some ways for you to build trust in your relationship. These are also secrets to a happy and healthy. Let him go out with his friends. Even though you are together, your world does not revolve around you and your boyfriend alone. You need to give your boyfriend his personal space and time. If you allow him to hang out with his friends, boys and girls, it means you feel secure and confident enough that he will not do anything that can ruin your relationship. Believe in what he says. After hearing his answers, believe in what he says. Don't call him a liar, a traitor, an idiot, or whatnot. Rather, make him feel that you do not doubt his words because you love him that much that you trust what he says. This gives him the obligation to always be honest with you. He knows you trust him, and it's now up to him. Keep or break that trust. Trust yourself. You know it's hard to give something that you don't have. If you don't trust yourself, how can you trust your boyfriend? That goes the same with loving yourself first before loving another person. Well, you can love your boyfriend by not loving yourself too much, but that's a different story. Trust yourself. Claim it. Believe that you can give the same trust to your boyfriend. You have committed to a relationship with him, so trust him with all your heart. Trust in your love. As they always say, love conquers all. Trust your boyfriend because you trust in the love that you have for each other. You believe that your love is greater than any temptations out there and that you will stay happy so long as you trust, respect, and love each other. Guilty of some actions mentioned above? Don't worry. Don't take it against you. Rather, learn how to trust your boyfriend so long as you see him cooperating with you. To those who already have a solid foundation of your relationship, keep trusting and the love burning. Trust your boyfriend enough as you imagine yourself being trusted as a girl.